Let's go run Kharsibandi District Municipality 3-in-1 Marathon.
Hayi venye ku-42 le.
Hayi sengiqedile.
Yaku-42 ma'am.
If you want to go and register, you can still go and register. We will start 5 minutes late. We are still sorting out something on the road.
Uzohamba ngawo.
Isugile 3 kilometers in time 15 minutes. We are chasing a sub 4. Usigijimise kabi mfethu. Ungaphindi uyenze lento. 10 kilometers in time 50 minutes.
Sha. Ratebe. Hola. Bala and the captain. Bala and the captain. Shasho. Mawezan. Hola. Ipi nyama. Sama samba. Samba ni sawasanya. Sama. Hey, pedal. Sasot. Come, my brother. Tami. Hola. Babuske, right. But Moses. Sure. Hola. Sure. Hola. Sure. Bratsapo. Uphethe ubhidi. Ngifakile. Yeah. Sure. Sterechi. Hola. Oh, remember. Bengitwenze fun run. I'm not a photographer. Hola. Sure, my friend. It's right.
Tsai sasa right.
Ukuhlala phansi ngidle kahle.
Yahlala phansi relax. Eish, le papa yazi yena. Yena ne hayi. Ngizalila.
Aibo, cisha ngakhohlwa. Let me introduce you to someone. I'm running along with uNokuthula wakwamkhabe. Islam esibulala nalo ama-sub 4. Sometimes ayabuya-ke nama-podium finish. Khulumeni kwethu uthi ufuna i-sub 4 ngathi asambe ndawonye. Hence why 31 kilometers in time 2 hours 50 minutes. In the last hill lapha ngimuzwe athi uma ujakile bhuti ngicela uhambe. Ngathi angikwazi ukuthi ngihambe. Let's just take a walk. Sidonse umoya. Wathi okay. Angaziyo ngoba we want the same medal nakuyikho. Mhlawumbe sogijima ndawonye. Uzongidoja ngazi. But yena she is a good runner. Unale yankani. Konje wena ugijima uyazi lenkani enkulu. We ended up finishing together. This is my second race running with her from start to finish. We might probably run together again at the Comrades Marathon. 41 kilometers in time 3 hours 50 minutes. 1 kilometer left. She is still here, Baba.
Well done, guys.
Thank you, my friends.
Oh yeah, okay. We did finish was up for